Our coverage of Mental Health Awareness Month continues with Boys and Girls Clubs of Greater Houston. The group is making mental health a top priority for its children. In fact, it just received a $120,000 grant from Houston Methodist for the Strong Kids program. Joining us this morning in Studio A, Crystal Davis, Programs Manager of Boys and Girls Clubs of Greater Houston. Crystal, thank you so much for coming in. We appreciate your time this morning. It's a pleasure to be able to have this conversation during this month. But again, a reminder to everyone that this work continues all year long. So talk to us about what the Strong Kids program is and how it helps the community.
All right, so the Strong Kids program was formed by UT Health, and it's in partnership with UT Health, and it was formed right after COVID to prevent mental health for children and youth awareness. And that's what the Strong Kids program provided, and that's where it started. That's where we started from.
Any grant is appreciated, but one of this amount, $120,000, is extremely substantial. Talk to us about how the money will be used.
So the money will be used. We have programming in our clubs that medical clinicians come to our clubs and provide programming where kids are able to meet with clinicians weekly and get the services that provides them to prevent them from social anxiety and tackling self-awareness from oneself and getting them to the stable to focus on their mental health and their mental health awareness and prevent them to, overcome their challenges in social anxiety and learning and encouraging them to improve in areas of social and emotional learning.
Yeah, how to cope, but also how to be healthier long term. Talk to us about the ages of these kids. How old are these kids that will benefit from this program?
So the interesting about our program is that we service our kids from ages 6 to 18 years old. So any kids that are in our program, we can actually benefit from this program.
And that's, those ages, some of those ages are extremely tough, right? Especially when you get into those teenage years, there's a lot of pressure, and being able to learn how to navigate this mental health journey at that age is so critical. It's so important.
Definitely, definitely. And that's why we are intervening while they're young, and that way we can produce healthy, strong-minded adults. And that's why we intervene while they're so young, and we're catching them where they are at this age to produce excellent citizens when they grow up.
Yeah, and what I think is so fascinating about this too, for so long, mental health, we only talk about it when it becomes a problem, right? We all have mental health, so the fact that we're not talking about it all the time, that's a problem within itself. But letting people know it's okay not to be okay, and talking about it, especially at a younger age, will hopefully get ahead of the 8 ball. So when we are young adults and we're faced with issues or crises, we can know how to handle them in a healthy way.
So giving them the tools that they need now,
right?
Giving them the tools that they need now. It's so critical in this day and age, just giving them the tools that they need, providing them with the skills that they can react in a better way, choosing the better options, giving them the options now. And then this is a safe place for them.
Yeah.
So parents are not looking for the resources. They can come into the Boys and Girls Club, find where they are. They're not having to go out, find the resources. They come right in, and the program is right here available to them at the Boys and Girls Club.
Do you have to be a member in order to get these services?
You have to be a member of our clubs, and the program's available to our members.
Is the membership free, or does it come with a cost?
So in some of our programs they are free, and then some of our programs it is a paid membership. It's just simply $10 a month $10 a year for the program membership.
$10 a year.
$10 a year.
That's awesome.
It's amazing.
You cannot beat that. Okay.
It's amazing. Yes.
Yeah. Well, we so much appreciate you coming in this morning, Crystal Davis. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you. Thank you.